Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln of lns. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv, that is about this one. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of ln s, we have s ln s minus s. So we simplify like this. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one divided by this one, we have the integration ds. So this one we have s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.